Hello and welcome to Listen and Speak English Stories podcast. In this podcast, you will practice your English listening and speaking. Today, we start a long and exciting story made just for you. The story is simple, easy to follow, and full of adventures. Listen carefully, repeat if you want, and enjoy. Now let's begin the story. Emma was a 20-year-old student who lived in a small town. Her dream was simple but powerful. She wanted to speak English fluently so she could travel, meet new people, and discover the world. Every morning, Emma sat in her favorite cafe with a notebook and a cup of tea. She wrote down new English words she had learned the day before. She repeated them softly, moving her lips almost like whispering to herself, hope, journey, dream, courage. Emma didn't just want to learn English from books. She wanted to live it, to feel it, to make it part of her story. One day, while sitting at the cafe, she heard two tourists speaking English. They were looking at a map, confused, trying to find the train station. Emma felt nervous. She wanted to help, but her heart was beating fast. Finally, she stood up, smiled, and said in simple English, "Hello, you need help?" The tourist looked relieved and smiled back. "Yes, the train station. Do you know where it is?" Emma pointed the way, speaking slowly but clearly. "Go straight, then left, big street, station." The tourist thanked her warmly. "Thank you so much. Your English is very good." Emma blushed but felt proud. It was her first real English conversation with foreigners. For the rest of the day, she couldn't stop smiling. That evening, she wrote in her notebook, "Today I spoke English. Small words, small sentences, but a big step for me. This is only the beginning of my journey." Arya woke up very early the next morning. The sun was rising, painting the sky with pink and orange colors. The little village was quiet. Only the sound of birds could be heard. Arya's heart was full of hope. Today she was ready to begin her journey. She took a small bag. Inside she placed her notebook, a pen, some bread, and a little bottle of water. Her mother gave her a warm hug. "Be brave, my daughter," she said softly. Her father smiled and added, "The world is wide. Walk with courage and you will find your way." Arya waved goodbye to her parents. She started walking down the small road that led out of the village. Every step felt like a new beginning. The trees whispered as the wind passed through their leaves. The smell of fresh earth and flowers made her feel alive. As Arya walked, she met an old traveler sitting by the side of the road. He was wearing a long brown cloak and had a silver beard. His eyes were wise and kind. "Good morning, young girl," he said. "Where are you going with such determination?" Arya answered politely, "I'm going on a journey. I want to see the world, learn from people, and collect stories." The old traveler nodded slowly. He touched the ground with his stick. "That is a beautiful dream. But remember, the road is not always easy. There will be challenges. Sometimes you will feel tired, lost, or afraid. But if your heart stays strong, you will always find light again." Arya listened carefully. His words felt like both a warning and a blessing. "Thank you," she said with gratitude. "I will remember your advice." The old man smiled and gave her a small wooden charm shaped like a star. "Take this," he said. "It will remind you to follow your light, even in the darkest night." Arya held the charm tightly in her hand. She felt stronger. She continued walking, with the charm close to her heart. The road became wider. Fields of golden wheat stretched on both sides. The sound of insects buzzed in the warm air. For the first time, Arya felt the excitement of being far from home. Her adventure had truly begun. One sunny afternoon, Emma decided to visit the town park. The park was green and full of people. Children were playing, families were talking, and birds were singing. Emma walked slowly, enjoying the fresh air. She saw a girl sitting alone on a bench. The girl looked a little shy, holding a small book in her hands. Emma smiled and walked closer. "Hello," Emma said kindly. The girl looked up and answered softly, "Hello." Emma sat down next to her. "My name is Emma. What's your name?" The girl replied, "My name is Anna." Emma smiled. "Nice to meet you, Anna." "Nice to meet you too," Anna said. For a moment they both stayed quiet. Emma looked at the book in Anna's hands. "Do you like reading?" she asked. "Yes," Anna replied. I love reading stories. Emma's eyes lit up. Me too. I love reading stories in English. Anna smiled for the first time. Really? I am learning English. But it's hard for me. Emma nodded. It was hard for me too. But I practice every day. That's how I learn. Anna looked interested. Do you think I can learn too? Emma replied with confidence. Of course. If you practice, you will speak English well. The two girls started talking more. Emma asked about Anna's favorite stories. Anna shared about her favorite fairy tales. They laughed and smiled together. From that day, Emma and Anna became friends. They promised to meet at the park every week. Together they would read and practice English. It was the beginning of a beautiful friendship. One Saturday morning, Emma and Anna met again in the park. The sun was shining and the air was warm. They sat together on their favorite bench. Emma brought 2 books with her. Look, Anna, she said. I brought stories for us to read. Anna smiled. Thank you, Emma. Let's read together. They opened the first book. The words looked easy at first, but soon Anna stopped reading. She looked worried. I don't understand this word, Anna said. Emma leaned closer. Which word? This one, Anna pointed. Emma read the word slowly. Beautiful. Anna repeated, beautiful. Emma said it again, beautiful. Anna tried, beautiful. Emma smiled. Yes, very good. Anna laughed. It's difficult, but I can try. They continued reading. Sometimes Anna made mistakes. Sometimes Emma corrected her gently. Don't worry, Anna, Emma said. Mistakes are part of learning. But Anna looked sad. I make too many mistakes. Emma touched her hand and said, Listen, Anna. Every mistake is a step forward. If you keep trying, you will get better. Anna took a deep breath. Okay, I will try again. So they continued. Anna read one sentence, then Emma read the same sentence. Step by step, Anna became more confident. After 1 hour, Anna closed the book and smiled. I did it. I read a whole page. Emma clapped her hands. Yes, you did it. I'm proud of you. Anna's eyes were bright. Thank you, Emma. You didn't let me give up. Emma said, because we are friends. And friends help each other. That day, Anna learned an important lesson. Learning English takes patience, courage, and practice. The next week, Emma and Anna decided to visit the local library. It was a large building filled with books of every kind. The smell of old pages made Anna excited. Wow, so many books. Anna said, her eyes wide. Emma smiled. Yes, and we can choose any book we want. It's a great way to improve our English. Anna picked a book with a colorful cover. I like this one. It looks fun. Emma nodded. Great choice. Let's sit in that corner and read. They sat down and started reading. At first, Anna struggled with some words. Emma, this word again. Adventure? Yes, adventure, Emma said slowly. Repeat after me, adventure. Adventure, Anna said carefully. Perfect. Emma cheered. After a few minutes, Anna looked frustrated. There are too many difficult words. I don't know if I can read this book. Emma put her hand on Anna's shoulder. Anna, it's okay. Every new word is a step forward. You don't have to know everything. Just try your best. Anna smiled. Okay, I will try. They continued reading word by word, sentence by sentence. Emma helped Anna and Anna tried hard. By the end of the afternoon, Anna read several pages without stopping. I can do it, she exclaimed. Emma smiled proudly. Yes, see, you are learning fast. Every day you get better. Anna felt happy and motivated. She realized that challenges were part of the journey. Learning English was not always easy, but with practice and a good friend, she could achieve her goals. One Monday morning, Emma saw a poster at the cafe. Join the English club, meet, speak, learn. She immediately thought of Anna. This could be fun. We can practice speaking with more people. After school, Emma ran to Anna's house. Anna, look at this, she said, showing the poster. Anna read it carefully. Wow, meet new people and speak English? That sounds exciting, but I am nervous. Emma smiled. Don't worry. I'll be with you. We can try together. The next day they walked to the English club. The room was full of students and teachers. Some people were speaking quickly and Anna felt a little afraid. Emma, everyone speaks so fast. Anna whispered. Emma held her hand. Just listen first, then try to speak. It's okay to make mistakes. Their first activity was simple. Everyone introduced themselves. When it was Emma's turn, she said, "Hello, my name is Emma. I love reading stories and learning English." Everyone smiled and nodded. Anna's turn came next. She took a deep breath. "Hello, my name is Anna. I like reading." Some students nodded and a teacher said kindly, "Great job, Anna. Keep going." Anna smiled shyly. She realized that speaking English was not as scary as she thought. The club played games, read short stories, and practiced conversations. Emma and Anna had fun, and Anna felt more confident every minute. By the end of the day, Anna whispered to Emma, "I want to come back next week." Emma laughed softly. "I knew you would. Practice makes perfect." Anna understood that real progress comes from courage, effort, and trying new things. And with Emma by her side, she was ready for every challenge. One sunny morning, Emma had an idea. "Anna, let's take a small trip to the nearby town. We can practice English with real people." Anna was excited but nervous. "Really? What if I can't understand anyone?" Emma smiled. "Don't worry. I'll be with you. It will be fun and we will learn a lot." They packed a small bag with water, snacks, and their notebooks. Then they walked to the train station. On the train, they listened to announcements in English. Emma explained slowly. "Look, Anna. The train is going to, see? Listen carefully." Anna repeated softly, trying to understand every word. When they arrived at the town, they walked to a cafe. The waiter spoke quickly. "Hello. What would you like to drink?" Emma spoke first. "Tea, please." Then Anna, a little shy, said, "Coffee, please." The waiter smiled. "Great. You speak English very well." Throughout the day they visited the park, a small museum, and a bookstore. Everywhere they went, they tried to speak English with people. Sometimes they made mistakes, but everyone was kind and helpful. At the end of the trip, Anna looked happy and proud. "I can do it, Emma. I understand more, and I can speak more." Emma laughed and hugged her. "See? I told you. Practice in real life is the best way to learn." On the train back home, they wrote in their notebooks about the trip. Anna wrote slowly, "Today I spoke English with many people. I am proud. I want to keep learning every day." That day, Anna realized something important. Courage and practice make learning fun and exciting. Weeks passed and Emma and Anna continued practicing English every day. They read books, visited the library, joined the English club, and even took small trips. One afternoon, they sat in the park, looking at the sunset. Anna smiled and said, "Emma, I remember the first day we met. I was so afraid to speak English. Now, I feel confident. I can try anything." Emma nodded. "Yes, Anna. You have worked hard. You see, learning English is not only about words, it's about courage, patience, and believing in yourself." Anna held her notebook and looked at all the pages she had written. "So many mistakes, but also so many steps forward," she said. Emma smiled. "Every mistake is a lesson. Every step is progress. You are amazing." That evening, Emma wrote in her own notebook, "Learning English is a journey. There will be challenges, mistakes, and fears. But every day we try, we grow." Today, Anna and I are not only learning English, we are living it. Anna looked at the small wooden charm Emma had given her, the one shaped like a star. "It reminds me," Anna whispered, "to follow my light, even in the darkest moments." Emma and Anna laughed together, feeling happy and proud. They knew their journey was only beginning. The world was full of stories to read, people to meet, and adventures to live. And most importantly, they knew that together, they could face any challenge and continue learning, growing, and dreaming. The sun set behind the trees, painting the sky with orange and pink colors. Emma and Anna promised to keep walking on their path, practicing, speaking, and never giving up. The journey of learning English was not just about words. It was about friendship, courage, and discovering the world. And so their story continued, one word, one sentence, one adventure at a time.